Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share comments on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First, uh, go to your comment which you want to share, and now click here, and here you'll find share. Click on it, and that's it. Here you can share your comment to these applications here, and that's it. That's how to share comments, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.